Hello friends, welcome to this video. I am going to give you demo of CRM module of Logic Empower. Empower is all-in-one software having accounting module, CRM module and production module. In our previous video, we have given you the demo for accounting module and show you how to create invoice, how to create customer, product, purchase invoice, sales invoice, how to make payment entries, how to generate summary for GST returns, as well as I have given demo for many other accounting vouchers and reports. Now in this video, you will learn how the Empower help you managing your inquiries and your service that will enhance your overall sales. In CRM module, you can generate performa invoice, quotation, you can generate case for services, you can generate leads for your sales inquiry, and except your customer and vendor, you can generate other contacts in this contact book, and you can create contact group as well. So let's start with the leads. This is lead register. Here you can get option to filter out your leads by contact, by product wise, by date. You can select a date period from suppose if you want to know only February month leads till now, then you can select 1st of the February and today's date. So when you click on a search, it will show you only the leads which is created between 1 February to 8 February. And next you can filter out through source, through lead stage, and through its priority. We have considered one electronics company, domestic electronics company, which is selling TV, fridge and domestic electronics appliances. So whenever we will take example, we will consider this Gada Electronics as a domestic electronics trading firm. Okay, so when this search filters will come in action, I will give you one example. Suppose you have excess stock of TV and you want to clear it out, then it is required to filter out your leads by the TV. So you select the TV and search, and below this search filters, here you can get a list of your sales inquiry type leads, and a separate lead list is provided, which is your prospect business. So these are incoming inquiry type leads, and this is a prospect business which can be your potential customer in coming days. So you can search out your potential customer and register as a prospect business lead in CRM module. Now click on add new to generate new lead. Here you can select your customer or contact. I have selected one customer. Its phone number, its address, its GST number will be auto populated and fetched from database. You can select lead type, either it is inquiry or a prospect business. Suppose it is inquiry, select. Lead source, you can select from where you get this inquiry, from in-store, employee reference, advertisement, or Google or something like that. So here I have selected Google. So later you can analyze from which source you are getting maximum inquiries, and you can focus on that. Here you can mention your product and what price you have offered. You can mention, suppose it is a 32-inch TV Toshiba, you have offered at 32,000 rupees. Now most important is logs. Here you can add multiple logs of action for this inquiry. Suppose today your action is you have sent a quotation on email, then you can select your action as email. Quotation sent for 32-inch TV on email ID. Now suppose tomorrow your action, tomorrow You will call him and you can write down casual follow-up done. He said he will buy from I will buy in next week. So this way you can manage multiple logs, you can add multiple logs, and entire your sales team including your management who are given the permission to see this can visualize these logs and add their suggestions, add their monitoring on this. One description box is also given here. So suppose your inquiry is not a product, suppose it is a tender or something project, then you can make put your description of inquiry over here, like this customer is interested to collaborate with us as dealer. Okay, so this way you can add your inquiry. You can select its working stage. It is won, it is new, contacted, working, active, or won, either lost, either discarded. So right now it is contacted. Its priority you can select high, medium, low, or very low. We can select low. Final remark you can add at the time of closure of this inquiry. Upcoming follow-up date you can describe over here. Suppose it is a 10 February, and then you can click on a save. Now on next day we will again click on edit. On next day, suppose you get the order, you can click and mark the stage as a won, and you can mention its log also. Call, he has finalized the order. And when it is won, you can mention your sales invoice number as well. So your inquiry is won, but it will be linked to your sales invoice, suppose 35 number of invoice. So later your top management can verify it is won and mention the correct status. Now click on a save. Now you can see invoice number not exist. Please check it. So you can see Maruti Electric Goa, this inquiry has been won. So this way you can review all this inquiry came in one day and how your sales team have approached them and what prices they have offered to that particular inquiry. Again I click on edit, and at last you can define its stage, priority, final remark, and next follow-up date. So exactly on same date that inquiry will be shown on your CRM dashboard under today's task. So this way you can manage your leads. Now what is the advantage of leads is you can quickly generate leads in less than 1 minute if you have already created the customer. And you will never forget any single inquiry. If you habituate with listing out the inquiries, you will never forget any single inquiry to follow up and to reply them. And you can timely follow up with a customer at the right time. That is another advantage. And you can remove the communication gap in conversation with customer from your entire sales team, because every log can be seen by every sales team and management who have given the permission. And you can review daily inquiry very quickly, and your management or marketing head can give their inputs to close the order as soon as possible, and to be stayed updated with entire sales and service team activity from anywhere and from any device. And this will also help you never lose the order by mistake of sales team. Suppose you get a big order and your sales team by mistake given a higher price, then there is a chances of losing that order. So when there is a feature like entire sales team can monitor all your sales lead, then your top management can give inputs to close that particular lead. Now same way you can generate case for your service management. This is case register. Here also you will get the filters to filter out your cases by contact, by status, either it is a new, open, pending, escalated or closed. You can search by type, either it is a problem, question or any other. You can filter out by source and priority. And here the green color is mentioning the case is closed, and orange color, yellow color is mentioning the case is open. Either it is pending, either it is open, either it is escalated. It will show in a yellow color. So you can focus your area to close that particular case. To generate a new case, you can click on add new. You can select your customer, suppose Hemant Bhai, or its address, phone number, GST will be auto populated. You can select status, it's a new case, type, it is a problem, source by phone, priority you can select high or you can select medium, low, subject suppose it's motor failure, description motor is not getting on in auto mode. This is the problem. Solution will given in a later. Now what is your current action? Suppose you will call consult about the problem need to send the person to visit. Now in the next day or same day you have visited, suppose your next employee has visited, then it will be logged by your employee visit. He can write like visited the site, motor is okay, but the controller motherboard is failed. Now in the next day you can again log your action, visit motherboard of controller has been replaced. So this way you can put multiple logs. So that way you can manage your service as well. You can click on a save. So this is the case new. Now again I will click on edit. I will mark it as a closed, and today I will also log one action is a call. I have discussed he is 100% satisfied, so I will mention he is satisfied with our service and pump is working now. Okay, so this way you can manage your service as well. And not only your service case, you can generate any case. Suppose it is your maintenance or machine repairing or something, or you can manage your AMC contract for your product. So each AMC contract you can generate one new case and manage. Suppose it is a AMC contract, then you can select a particular customer and add multiple logs for your visit, multiple logs for your actions, calls, and what product you have replaced in your AMC, that can also you can mention in a log. So this way you can entirely manage your service complaints and your AMC contracts, and entire your management including your service team can manage and can view it. So there will be no communication gap, and you can timely manage your services and offer a dedicated service to your customer. So this is the major use of a CRM module. And performa invoice and quotation you can generate. That is not a bigger thing. So just I will give you quick demo. You can add new, select your customer, select your product, and your performa invoice is ready. Now you can print, and this is how your performa invoice can be generated in a very quick time. That's all. Thank you.